Yes, people, KB from the trading plan, and as you can see, 2009 in my wallet address, and I've just entered a long on a 15 times leverage. Now, in regards to why I've entered this long, and you can see the trading fees, well, there's $23 left there, but why I've entered this long is simply due to the fact that I think Bitcoin is going to hit 39,950 to 39,680, around about this region. I basically want us to hit this black line here before further assessment in regards to where we're going to go. In regards to that, I've just spotted on a very, very small time frame. Remember, the smaller the time frame, the less reliable it is, but a falling wedge. When you see a triangle like this often implicates that we're going to go up. Price action is going to go upwards. So for that reason, I've entered a long. Let's just get this line back. And my stop loss is just going to be around about here, 37,600 range, 37, yeah, maybe 37,700. Let's make it 37,700. And then I want to see this breakout, test that range that I stated earlier. And let's hope this is a great start in terms of the trading challenge. So right now, a little bit down, but let's see how we develop. As always, I will give you the updates. Yes, people. So within hour or two of opening the trade, I'm going to close position in front of you guys. There you go. So $2,685 is being, so yeah, $600 have been made, give or take. Yes, people. As you can see, I have just entered a market long, which I'm gonna close any second. Go a little bit higher. Let's just close that. So you can see 2663. I'm gonna change the leverage. Let's go to 10 times leverage. Do that again. You can see the 2.6 left on my account right now. And we're back. Just wanted to adjust the leverage to double. Risky trade here, guys. Very, very risky. We have a potential descending triangle. These red lines equivalent to a descending triangle. But you can see the candle bottoms are just on an equal level. Like, so they're base at the red line pretty much. Whereas the divergences are going down. So the bullish divergence to me. Now, I believe this is gonna go back up. I do believe this is gonna go back up. Potential falling wedge here. Probably should have waited for the bounce in and enter the confirmation. But I think it's gonna go hold. We're gonna go back to 1228 and then we may see a drop. So we're gonna see how this develops. As again, it's your guy KB from the Trading Plan, the Degenerate Gambler, and currently $150 down. Okay, guys, just about to take some profits. Market closed at just $200, which takes me to a total of 2.8. The reason why I've closed this trade, I just simply did not like it. I felt this was a too big of a risk to take, in all honesty. I'd rather come across measured and patient with my approach, and I just felt it was too risky. But it's an excellent trade as well. So we just call this as a short-term scalp. But I just didn't like it. I just didn't feel like I was in control of this trade. And it's the ones that I'm in control of the trade that I can just easily walk away from the screen with nothing on the conscious, thinking, well, that may be led by my anxiety. My worst trades are the ones that my anxiety and my emotions lead me into, and I felt this trade had too much of that. We could very well easily go up to my target or range of 12.18 and then 12.31 as we are pushing up, but I wouldn't care if I miss out on them profits. I want to only enter trades where it's based on just solely information and I'm in control of the trade rather than the trade being in control of me. There's always going to be next move, but I rather enter moves, like I continuously keep saying, that I'm in control of. So let's see how we develop. If we can push up there, I will enter a short. Another thing that I'm looking for is Bitcoin is looking quite good actually now in some sense for a 1 hour falling wedge potentially. If we start developing some sort of ascending triangle, I may enter a long. But right now, a lot of questions rather than answers and potential solutions. trading plan, and I'm about to enter a short on Ethereum. Yep. Well, where are we gone? Let's just do that in front of you guys here. Market, sell. Let's just reduce the leverage a little bit. Let's do 7. Confirm. There you go. We wait. There you go. We've entered a short here with Ethereum, 2.7k, and my stop loss just going to be above here. I think in the next 2 minutes, should we close below this blue line, we take a tumble. So I'm just going to put a stop loss around about here, and let's see how this develops. Yes, people. So it's going well. I'm not sure why Binance, I think it's an overload in terms of how much people are using their platform. But it's been a great trade, this one here. Let's just delete the Fibonacci lines. I'm going to close my position and take profits here. So 14%. Seriously, may have to get off Binance if this continues. So cool. You know, day 2 of trading. It's been tough. You know, I'm not gonna lie. $1,200 up. Yeah, this could possibly run down even more. I'm expecting it to do so, but I'm just content to make it the 3k range rather than potentially popping up. Right, so just a recap of this episode. It was quite rich in terms of information in comparison to the last season where we did the 2 to 5k/10k, whatever you want to call it. Where it was rich was the second trade. The second trade, my emotions led me to it. I could feel it. I could feel that my emotions led me to the trade. I could feel the anxiety when I was in the trade, and I just wanted to get out. I was very fortunate in this time to actually capitalize in a couple $100. And you could see from the next trade, it substantially dropped down. So I was very fortunate not to get stopped out and lose money. The most good trades, the best trades are the ones where you know the information has led you into it. Once you identify, you know you have the information to become a good trader, you then can acknowledge and understand and identify what trades are being based on emotion and what trades are based on information. It's the ones that are emotion based that are a great concern and then historically have led me to losing money. How I manage that is writing a trading journal. I write in my journal the reasons for entering, then I report in my journal how I'm feeling as I've entered, and then I report on the journal once the trade has been completed. So I was very fortunate in that sense. But like I said, you know, the 800 to 10k challenge, the market conditions were ripe. It was fun. It was a load of fun. This challenge is going to be far more difficult into capitalizing from 2k to 20k, but I'm confident it still can be accomplished. So if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and please show some love wherever you're looking at this episode, whether it be from YouTube or Insta. KB, your favorite degenerate gambler, episode 2 shortly out.